Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create an invisible folder in Windows 11 to hide, for example, personal or sensitive files on your desktop. Let's go. First, right click anywhere on your desktop, go to show more options, click on new and then on folder to create a new fresh folder. After that, go to the search bar and type in character map. Click on it and scroll down until you find an empty or blank character. Click on the blank character, press select and then the copy button. Now all you need to do is to close the character map, click on the folder's text to rename it, delete the text and paste the blank character you just copied from the character map and then press enter. Now you made the text invisible. In the next tab we remove the icon. Right click on the icon, click on show more options and then click on properties. Find under the tab customize the change icon button. Click on it and find a blank icon. After choosing it and pressing 2 times OK, you will see that the folder icon is removed now, but we have a black square remaining. So if you want to have the effect of the invisible folder, you must change the background to black, you must change the wallpaper of the desktop, so just choose a solid color like I do here, or you can also change a wallpaper, a special one, for example you created by yourself or you found in the internet. Let's choose this one and you can see in the right side or left side you can hide it because it's very black. Guys, thank you for watching and see you next time.